Hey, 8th grade. So today we're going to start talking about plant and animal cells. And we're just going to do some review on the organelles within the cells. We have the brain of the cell, which is the nucleus. The mitochondria, which is where cellular respiration occurs. And this is the powerhouse of the cell. The vacuole, which is for storage. The lysosome. The ribosome for protein synthesis, the endoplasmic reticulum also for protein synthesis, the Golgi apparatus, the cell membrane, the cell wall, and the chloroplast. The chloroplast, the cell wall, and the vacuole are only found in plant cells. The nucleus is where that genetic material is stored, and this is the brain of the cell. This is what it looks like within the nucleus. You have the nucleolus where the actual genetic material is being held. The mitochondria, like we said, is where cellular respiration occurs, and this is the powerhouse of the cell. The vacuole is for storage, and it's only found again in plant cells. The lysosome has digestive enzymes in it, and this has its own membrane. The ribosome is where protein synthesis occurs, and it's attached to the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum has a smooth and a rough area, the rough being the one with the ribosomes attached, and this is where lipid and protein synthesis can occur. The Golgi apparatus is where proteins are processed after the synthesis. The cell wall is only found in plant cells, while animal cells have only the cell membrane. And its structure is more rigid and has a lot of cellulose in it. The cell membrane is for protection. Some things can go through it while others can't, and both plant and animal cells have this. The chloroplast is the powerhouse of the plant cell. So instead of the mitochondria, we have the chloroplast. And this is where photosynthesis occurs. So just to recap, the plant and the animal cells differ by the plant cell has a vacuole, chloroplast, and cell wall, and the animal cell has lots of mitochondria and only a plasma membrane. In the plant cell, photosynthesis occurs, and in the animal cell, cellular respiration occurs. These two operations are essentially the reverse of each other, minus the light that's required for photosynthesis. Go ahead and move on to your other questions in your packet today. Once you're done with that, you may be on Quizlet.